Count loud. Hit. Sir, mas nakakapagod dragon boat. You're too fast. Longs lang. Follow Lisel. Tin. Mark. Good job ni. Extend. Extend. You're not extending, Tin. Follow Lisel. Laki dyan. Lisel, do not pull your arm in the boat. Kala nila madali, no? But in actual, may hirap. Adrenaline, everything. O, 4-0 lang. O, sige, gusto diretso pa. My boat! Same program. All I need is no saw-saw at 10. That's 10 longs. And remember guys, count. Count in your mind if you want. Just to make your mind busy. Forget about the pain. It helps to forget about the pain, you know. But if you want a good loaded one, remember your ex. Put all the anger on the water, okay? Okay. Yeah, tama na. Relax. My boat, same program. 10, 20, 40. And last kick. And file your leave on October 14, 15. All crew, are you ready? Attention! Hit! 2 4 Speed! Karga na! 8 9 Power! 2 4 6 8 1-0 2 4 6 8 9 Longs 2 4 6 8 1-0 2 4 6 8 2-0 2 4 6 8 3-0 loaded 2 longs 6 8 Power! All the way yan! 4 6 8 1-0 2 4 6 8 1-0 2 4 6 8 That's 10 2 4 6 7 8 9 Easy. Weng, next time huwag mo idadaan sa gilid. Titigil bang ka, laging gitna. Walang buoyancy. Hold the boat, hold the boat, hold. So same thing again. Last 10 of the longs is a handbrake. Saka pag magtitimong ka sa race, huwag mo gano'n itatabi pag nakita mo wave. Same thing nung nang gano'n, babagal tayo. Pag naiwan ka na, pasok mo sa wave nila. Tapos pag gusto mo overtake, inject ka na inject. Kasi pag sa wave, tatalbog ka lang dun. Pasok mo sa wave, pag nakabuntot ka, labas mo. Pero disqualified tayo nun. Pero pag sa mga long distance, hindi. Same thing kasi mangyayari nung pag masyadong malapit sa inhale, exhale. Alright guys, let's go home. 500, last one. Don't ask anymore. 118. But the first time is okay. Check the water. Where with the current. It doesn't matter like if you're doing like yan. Water only, you're human. See, Jeff just came from vacation just to, you know. Jeff, baka may dyan tira pa or toyo. I'm just kidding. 30 seconds. Let's do 500 and that's it. I think when we can start 6:30 next Saturday. Whether here 6:30. Shangri-La, sorry. Shangri-La, we will have a friendly race again in Shangri-La on September 16. If you can join. If not, no. That's fine. Next week. Against Emery Steel and maybe another team. And so how many boats they have there? Because only two? Okay, dito. I think they will add that one. There's an extra one there na. Alright guys, another 30 seconds, 500. May inguso mo doon kasi saktong 500 yun doon sa may tabi mo dito para gitna. Bibilisan nyo yung 500 para makauwi na tayo. Gitna mo na, my boat, paddles up. Gitna mo. Paddles up, all crew, paddles up. No, newbies only, newbies. Give me 66 stroke. Hit. Sa Kawing, mag-start ka na. Kaliwa tayo ng Yellow Boy kaliwa tayo, straight lang yan Huwag ka nang liliko-liko, mag-practice ka na magtimon. Tapos visualize mo, boy. Hindi ka liliko. Saka practice ka nang nakaganyan lang, huwag nakaganito. One hand. One hand ka ngayon. One hand ka lang. Mamaya. Kasi kung nakaganyan ka dapat, kasi di mo makikita nasa kanan mo. Easy. Let it glide. Hold. Oh, your call, your boat. Tatime lang ako. Wait lang, wala pa. Visualize mo, boy hanggang dulo. 500. Program 10, 20, 40, 20, 40, 20, 40, 20, 40 last kick.